Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. Welcome if you're new here. I'm glad to see you here. Today, I'm gonna be trying to set up my fan. I sleep in the basement. I run really hot. I need a fan. I still get way too hot. So I have this one here. Got it out of Walmart, I think. So it's just time to unbox this, I guess. I probably need to go get a knife or something. This is what it is. This is the fan. It's a 16-inch multi-purpose pedestal fan, so let's see if we can open this thing. I don't know. Whoa. So it looks like we have a blade. Not too sure what that is. These 3 pieces. The base of it maybe? And this is like the stick part, I guess, like that. So these are the instructions. Oh, there it is. Okay, I was getting worried for a second. Step 1, pre-assembly. Take pipe assembly out of carton as shown. Figure number 1, right here. So, this piece. Figure number 1, unboxed. Loosen height adjustment nut, turning corner clockwise. So like that. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. Just go like, tighten it and loosen it like that. No, it's even longer. Okay, next we're going to attach it to the height adjustment part to the base, which is this. Okay, so we got attached. Bam. Okay, so next we're going to, that's in Spanish. Next we're going to we're gonna put the motor on. I guess the head assembly. With a twisting motion, insert the end of the large diameter pipe into the hole of the base. Did that. Turning pipe while pushing will assure pipe is fully seated in base. Step 3, head assembly. Place head assembly with collar onto extension. Okay, so I still need to open this. Alright, so now we're gonna add, I guess, adding this together. So, step 4, blade and grill assembly. Tilt head assembly back, put rear grill on motor. Align tab of plastic rear grill with groove on top front motor cover. Fully seat rear grill and secure with plastic nut turning clockwise. Slide blade onto motor shaft. Align groove on blade hub with pin on motor shaft. We'll figure this out. So the motor, or the grill, I guess this part goes on here somehow, like that. What about that can't be right because this has to go on somehow. Rear grill. What is the rear grill? Is it this? Oh, the back. Like this? Oh wait, like this. I just realized it needs going backwards like this instead of like this because it's the rear part of it. Maybe. Okay, like that. Something like this. So we're gonna add, this is what we've put on so far, and we need to add something in between, and then let me focus this. So we put on the rear grill part or whatever, and then we need to add something, and then this part, and then like is in between there. That's Spanish. Like that. Tighten this way. It's not. There we go. And then this. Tighten this way. Gotta follow the arrows. And then I want to make sure that the logo is straight up and down because that would be ugly. How do you get this on? Okay, so it goes on like this apparently, but there's like no way to snap it off. Oh, just kidding, I lied. Okay, so I have it all assembled together. I think it looks pretty good. It smells horrible though, like that new plastic smell. But this one is way bigger than the one I had last time. It's got a setting for 1, 2, 3 and off. My other one just had buttons, so I can like click it. There's the lock part. Oh, I guess you pull it up and down. So that like if you want it to rotate or not. It's kind of dirty though. But there's the cord and it looks pretty long and it's pretty stable. I'm gonna plug it in and see how it runs. So the cord looks like it's gonna be pretty dang long, which is nice. So, okay, maybe not as long as I thought it would. Okay, so it's plugged in now. I'm gonna turn it on. 2, 3. I'm pretty impressed actually for a cheap Walmart fan. Hopefully it lasts a while. See how well it will blow my hair on the 3rd setting. Feels good. It's like that perfect blow on you at nighttime type of fan. Like it's not too powerful and it's not just like barely there. I like it. I think I like it a lot. There's the little fan that I put together. Let me know if you want to see me try and attempt putting together more things. But thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, it will help a lot.